In this video, I'll show you how to make 3 amazing Daiquiri Sorbets. These sorbets are so satisfying that I can't stop eating them, and they're perfect for blending with some white rum to quickly make a Daiquiri cocktail. The flavors I'll be making are strawberry, mango, and blueberry. Let's get started. Step 1, make the sorbet mixture. Pour the lime juice into the saucepan and add the gelatin. Stir to ensure the gelatin leaves are separated and set aside to soften. Add the sugar and bring over medium heat. Warm to dissolve the sugar and gelatin. Do not let it boil. Let the lime juice cool down while you prepare the fruit. Fill the blender with the fruit. You will find the quantities needed in the description box below. Blend until completely smooth. Add the lime syrup, followed by the white rum. Blend to combine. Pausing once to scrape down the sides of the blender jug. Step 2. Chill in the fridge overnight. Step 3. Churn with the ice cream maker. Give a blitz to the sorbet mixture to ensure a smooth texture. Now pour the sorbet mixture in the ice cream maker with the machine running. Stop the ice cream machine when the sorbet is smooth and fluffy. Do not over-churn. Step 4, put in the freezer to set. Right after churning, the sorbet melts instantly upon contact with any surface. This makes it impossible to serve or transfer to another container. To fix this, put it in the freezer for a few hours to set. Serve or store. After being set, the sorbet becomes firm enough to scoop. You can either serve it immediately or transfer it to another container for storage. It keeps well for 1 month. Thanks to the addition of rum, this sorbet stays soft in the freezer for a long time, and you can enjoy it directly from the freezer without the need to thaw it. And now I have a bonus for you. I will show you how simple it is to turn it into a cocktail. Simply scoop out some sorbet. I provide exact measurements in the description box. Pour in your favorite white rum. I like to add sparkling water. Blend until smooth and serve. Which one would you choose? Strawberry, blueberry, or mango? Let me know in the comments. I am definitely a mango girl. Cheers! And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. See you next time with more ice cream creations.